Sa dami ng pinaghandaan niya, mo na ito yung kasulti. Mo na nilibihan. Nagtahan kayo mga mata sa inyo na, mo na yung sulti. Ang tema.
Basta pinaghandaan niya.
Sa tanan-tanan dito yung handaan, kamoy na kayo yung sulti.
Kaya yung Q&A din.
Feeling ko hindi nakakain ng gulay.
Hindi. Ayun mo rin yung right. I was trying to develop kung ano yung sinasabi niya kanina. Ay parang pili ko, di ba yung power lifter? Up and down, di ba? Bakit as nalower sa ano daw? Paano ba going up yung ano?
Back ko, lower sa akin.
Yes. Bago.
So muna bago, ano siya? Bago na ito. Pero pinaghandaan niya kayo sa handaan.
Ano?
Ibang
That
post.
is already number 10!
Okay.
Hi, how did
Nilagay ko muna naka-alis ko na.
It feels like 2015 again.
Wow! Bakit naman? Is there any special moment that you will cherish during
Ayusin lang natin gamit.
And this exact day,
Ay, ikaw, magbalik na.
Yeah. Out and I started joining pageant.
Wow, that is your sample for the pageant world. Alright, so how does it feel when from 2015 now you evolved into a very fine young contestant?
It feels like I've changed a lot. I've learned a lot from those people that took care of me, mentored me, especially to my mom and to my mentor who was passed away already not my parents, but I'm very grateful to her. She gave us a lot of knowledge about pageantry. She gave us a lot of advice, how to
Being the best version of yourself. I think it's very important to have people to help us to that particular journey of our life, right? Alright, and let us look at your journey now and how we're going to answer and interpret this picture. So, please show us. Alright, give us your interpretation.
As a young child of a young farmer, I feel
Dilipit na lang para mamaya.
diretso na
Nanonood pa yung iba ng ano, question and answer portion.
And I'd like to say that we should stop burdening the society to go to work if it doesn't get the job. Instead, we should burden the system to be able to do the job for farmers and fishermen and farmers.
Kaya manonood kayo para makinig kayo ng question and answer.
And once farmers do their job, that's when our dear millennials, our Gen Zs, will choose to be the farmers, fishermen, farmers as well. And we can have an amazing community where negativity will go along with this.
Thank you so much for being on the brain. Yes, we love the silver lining.
Alright, may poster. Kasi nakita na kasi.
Foster meeting kasi to.
Poster rin yan doon eh.
Alam mo nga, I did not really agree with the answer, no? I stopped worrying about the job and everything to do, but yet starting a little job that fully fits the society itself, di ba? Parang that's why we have to really catapult and ready the learners, no? Kaya let's support Mabitang Curriculum of the Department of Education.
Magaling yung sa jingle.
Ah,
Sila dalawa.
Kami yan.
Alam mo pa, hindi na ito.
Hoy, dapat ngayong Q&A, dapat...
Di ba yung sa akin, patagulan yun eh.
Alright, let us go candidate number 8. Who looks stunning? How are you, candidate number 8?
Well, I'm so grateful and happy to see everyone right there. So, and again, thank you, Hannah, for choosing me as one of the top 6.
Well, looking at the league of competitors that we have for the top 6, where are you going to put yourself anywhere? You're not going to put yourself on the top?
Well, of course, each one of us want to be a top. But you know yourself that you are able, if you know yourself that you are still in that stage, that you must be able to.
Well, that's very true. Let us figure out if your answer will give you leverage to the competition. Let's watch it. Or let's see this picture.
ayun na, ma-makeup na tayo. Ayusin na natin mga makeup. Yung wig.
Alright, good luck.
Sumasabihin natin yung mga patch.
We all know that we are celebrating the Malta Festival. Malta's festival is a holiday celebration that
mabilis ko siya makikita.
The design of our Balsa that compete, which is the famous compete racing upon on our down to our river, which is, and now, just look at the pictures behind me. There's a lot of soft drinks, right? Then we all know that we all love soft drinks. Then, so just think of it.
I love soft drinks
Something
too.
very refreshing and enjoyable. And it is part of our overall experience
Love.
celebrating Bonsang Festival. And we are also offering the festive, celebrating the giving a festive atmosphere for us. And what I want you to know, that I want to highlight especially, that we are not just celebrating Bonsang Festival, but it's also, I would like you to know that we must need to recognize those vendors, every fiesta out there, even their determination and dedication, even it's hard for them. The sunrise, it's too hard for them. They're always choosing to sell food, soft drinks, because they don't want us to feel hungry and thirsty. And always remember that we must need to appreciate every single thing
Wala na yung mga takip.
we receive in our society. And in that way, we as a member, we as a community here in Saan, and celebrating our festival, we must need to appreciate
So, this is it, mga moms. So, medyo, ano na tayo. Kasi madilim, kaya nag-video na rin ako sa ito, may flash tayo.
This is very important.
So, I guess, everything, ito pa pala.
Give us a hint, no?
I think everything is okay. So, onti na lang yung aayusin natin kasi yung iba nandito naman na.
You have to have soft drinks.
Kailangan na namang mix ni
And you should
Amanda.
buy it here in your Asaan.
Correct.
Alright, thank you so much. That is candidate number 8. Now let's move forward with candidate number 12.
Bye!
Ang pwesto dito, saan ka po pwesto?
Nandito yung mga awards ni Amanda.
Sa mga saging. Bakit naman saging?
Sabi natin talaga ng
Mga awards. So, marami siyang awards.
Wow.
At marami rin siyang mga flowers na ilalagay
So,
dun sa
pinitigan mo
sa
talaga yung idea ni
altar.
Charles.
Oo.
Ayan yung mga awards niya, pero backdoor po siya, hindi po siya nakuha sa taxi. Okay na rin, good pa yung experience, di ba?
Lahat naman sila magaling mag-drive.
Ay, wow.
Umiiyak po siya.
Sobra ka.
Okay na.
Ikaw ba, Lord?
So, andito na kami sa bahay, tapos na, it's ano na, washable na, maliligo na, para lumabas na ulit yung tunay na balat. Good luck talaga. Oh, ito yung isa sa mga host natin. Ay! Naganda yung sticker. Mga kapoy na.
Maganda ba ko sa stage ganyan? Hindi.
Ang ganda ng ano. Parang feeling ko ano lang, alam mo yun? Yung ang simple ng ano mo, ng aura. Na,
Ang simple hard na nga yun eh.
hindi ang simple kasi yung buhok mo. Kaya, sabi, yung lights kasi. Oh, di ba?
Kay Lars Pale sa akin, sakto lang.
Oo. Kaya nagmukha kang simple lang sa stage. Parang,
Parang
nasurog siya sa lights. Oh, nabura yung makeup niya, nawala. Pero
Kaya
maganda.
pag ganun talaga, nag-hard ako eh.
Oo.
Dapat talaga, ganun na,
Tsaka yung buhok,
ganun na light.
diba no? Yung buhok, parang bagay talaga sa'yo, yung ganun. Yung ano lang, malis lang,
Girl.
walang masyado ano.
Girl.
Diba?
Bukas magaganon.
Uy! Oh, ligo ka na. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching.